either way. It go either way. Nah, what
Oh, I thought you.
Hey, bro, watch out, bro. Real shit.
It's lit.
Put bro down there, man. Trippie Redd getting beat up too. I fuck with Trippie too.
Nah, I fuck with Trippie on me.
Tyler the
Shit,
Creator.
Beat shit out of Tyler, the Creator. Damn, man, RPX, bro.
Yeah, RPA.
We gonna skip that. We gonna skip that. Yeah, we gonna skip that.
Throwing them bitches.
Yeah, that nigga was.
I ain't
We
gonna
gonna skip
fake.
that. Yeah.
Nah, it can go either way. That shit can go either way.
Either way?
Yeah,
Okay.
that shit can go either way. Nigga was short.
Yeet.
But that nigga at the bottom, bro.